First, I want to hear what you thought of it.
I have to double check the price. If the price is 1.5 lakhs.
So it's not 1.5. It's 1 lakh 4,000 for the 300 version.
Okay.
And then the bigger version is like 20k more.
EV is the big hype. If you're truly a fan.
EV is the future.
EV is the future, definitely.
Invest in the future now.
EV is the big hype and the future. There are few manufacturers who are seriously taking it very seriously, like Tata. I have to be genuine. Lot of manufacturers are giving it a shot. So sometimes it's a hit and a miss. A hit and a miss. In this case, idaithe hit ayedi pakka.
Miss ayindi kada.
Done with the test ride. It was a
Are you sure you want to go again?
Yeah. No, test drive. No. I think I got a good idea of the bike. If you're in the EV market, want to have something for the city, blindly go for Ather. If you're curious about other vehicles and okay about experience, not so particular about how the ownership experience, the service center experience, all this will be, you can just test drive it. But I don't think it's worth putting your money and effort into it.
I feel like this Revolt bike feels like a large company's first version
product
of something.
Yeah.
Right? You can clearly see where the cost has been cut. You can see where some of the features that they've put are like little gimmicky.
And it's not like 70,000-80,000 price also.
It feels like a true startup
Correct.
company, right? Like, so they focus on the customer experience a lot.
Now I feel actually Ather 450
very different.
450 is brilliantly priced.
The 7 or 8 inch touchscreen.
Yeah.
Like this, the design of it feels more like modern. This feels more utilitarian with a little bit of edgy design just to catch your attention. I was happy with this bike until it was about 50 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
50 daka, it was good.
Surprisingly, it hit 80 on the 400. I hit 80.
65 that level.
I hit 80.
Maybe because the charge was low when I took it.
Did you try the modes?
Yeah, it was in 3 mode all the third mode all the time.
I was surprised. On the KBR stretch, it hit 80. I was like...
He said, the sales guy said its top speed is 90.
Oh. So on paper, the specs look interesting, but it's just the brand experience, the bike experience.
It needs to improve.
The service experience. When you touch parts, right? Whenever you buy a product, it's all about how you feel, how you get the experience of the bike and all. Somehow that was not... You won't feel like putting 1.25 lakhs on that bike. Rather, you'd get an Activa, no frills bike, just live with it. Forget about EV, electric and all that.
We should also point out that the demo bikes felt very used.
Yeah.
So maybe the quality would be much better if you actually purchased a brand new bike.
Anyway, that's it for this experience. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think. We'll just have some coffee. He'll pick his bike. You're giving a bike for a wash after how many days?
After Kerala.
After Kerala. Kerala మట్టి ఇంకా బండి మీద ఉంది.
నా జాకెట్ మీద ఉంటుంది
ఆ వాసన ఇంకా ఉందా? That's the most stinking jacket I ever smelled.
Pretty much the dry cleaner also said the same thing.
Ever. Like, have you ever smelled fish from the sea lying there for 2-3 days? It smells like that. And you wore that for a breakfast ride, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, I wore for breakfast. 2-3 breakfasts.
Anyway, so he's preparing for the ride. Seriously, big ride. I think a lot of people are gonna join.
Beamer assholes. Beamer drivers are assholes.
Toronto has a BMW, right?
We also have BMW.
This color looks good. We're here at Ather's new experience center. Will be here. Mainland China. How people Chutney's high-tech city basically. This color looks good, better than the black one actually. And that's how the charging grid looks. You just plug it here in this port. We have seen all this in a Bangalore review, right? So nothing new here, but he's going to test drive it. Hey, 36 max.
Book చేసేద్దామా?
Book చేసావు already.
Discount ఇస్తాడేమో.
Book already.
Oh, sorry, మర్చిపోయినా.
He booked it way before me. He's the one who reminded.
Same time, no, right?
I got it January 7th. You had much before. You're the first one to book. He actually reminded me of this brand. Revolt and Ather are not in the same class. This is a scooter, that's a motorcycle, but just want to get that EV experience back. So want to compare it back to back. This wasn't planned, so just wanted to give it a quick test ride and see how it is. Evenly use these faster. Just release the accelerator and
incognito mode ante deeniki.
It's based on Android, right? So this is the Series 1 Collector's Edition. So there is a Collector's Edition where the transparent panel is visible. This is not updated yet, but there's just pure black and red. You get these rims that look different, this branding, the red trellis paint. But rest of the bike is pretty much same as the one that you saw a while back.
Few moments later.
I rode it, no. I rode it, I like it.
Back to back after Revolt.
So back to back comparison with the Revolt, because this is now actually only slightly expensive. Ooh, I like this color, dude. Let's start with Eco first. We have charge 72%. Press the brake and this power and it's on. This is Eco mode, guys. Very calm, hardly any feel. It's very basic. Basic car, basic care. Let's go left. Best part about this bike is the center of gravity. Auto cancelling indicators working well. Need to go right here. Not much region actually, very little. I need to go right here. Compared to the Revolt, just the feel here is quite different. Just the build quality of this bike is way leaps and bounds higher than the Revolt. Feels like much better built, the switches, everything. And the animations are good. We can put it in map mode. This is the map here. Nothing much in Eco mode. Oh, right now. It's on the fly. Look how easy it was to shift. In ride mode, it feels a lot like the Revolt 400. Suspension is much more sportier on this. I've already done a review on this, guys. You can check the video here. So nothing new for me, but just in terms of comparison, this is much more, the feel of this bike is much more premium. The suspension, the ride, the feedback on the throttle is much better. Previously, when I test drove the 450X originally, that was my complaint. I was coming from a petrol bike, motorcycle, and felt the throttle response was not instant. This is actually better, especially coming from a Revolt. Brakes can be better. I somehow feel they should have stuck with the grippy brakes they had on the test bike. The common feedback that they got from a lot of consumers was that the brakes were very grippy, so they slightly muted the brakes so that people don't feel the bite so much. But I feel the more stronger brakes because we're coming from higher capacity bikes. And easy, man, easy, so easy. Now warp mode. Ooh. All these three modes, you can feel a lot of difference. Alright, it's just like a golf cart, dude. Gonna take a quick U-turn here. So yeah, I think this has more power than the Revolt, quite a lot actually. Brakes are decent enough for the city. Unless you're going for the track, you don't need powerful brakes. So in that regard, this is pretty much fine, good enough for our city. I'm thinking of a time where I'll just put the bag here, have a camera here, vlog, and go on a scooter. I think that's possible, but it's not safe. We have the main GoPro camera here, right? I think that should be the safest option, but it's flickable and nimble, man. I'm getting some slight vibration from the floorboard. I'm not sure if it's the belt or something. There is some kind of different noise that I'm getting from the board, like the belt noise or something. But it's not the typical belt noise that you get. The whining noise is actually from the belt. Ooh, that's good. Suspension's pretty good, yeah. If you're a tall rider, like above 6 feet, this bike is probably too small and lean for you. because I'm sitting very much in the front. If I sit in the back, I'm sitting in the rear seat actually, and you sit tall and slip. Need to take a left here, but it's perfect for city, man. City commute ke liye, the past and the future. Oh. You can search locations here. Touchscreen is decently responsive. Let's look at charging points. They haven't been updated here. Favorite places, recent places. Map is slightly laggy with gloves. Not a big problem though, because you don't use this much. The purpose of this is not to be a phone, guys, so having Google Maps here is quite a lot actually. Yes, anyway, in case you're wondering my actual review on the 450X, check the link here. But it's in Hyderabad right now. The showroom is near Chutney's High Tech City, as you can see, Cyber Towers. Go take a test drive. You would actually like it. Compare it with your Activas and other stuff. Ask the real questions about the charging infrastructure and all. The pricing is decent. It's on the expensive side, but you get the premium experience. Coming from a Revolt, which was costing 1,25,000 or something, this is costing 1,60,000 or something. That 45,000, is it worth it? You're getting a better experience. So it's just a personal perception whether 45,000 extra is worth for this or not. They have different options, buyback options, lease options, and the customer service is much better. The dealership experience is better. It's very premium, and this is coming from people who have used sports bikes quite a lot, so you can trust us when we say the service is good. Revolt, somehow I lagged it. You can use combination of rear and front to get a bigger bite feel, but typically you only need the front. Let's see if we can charge this actually. Does it charge? Turn off the key to charge. Hey buddy, so finally you like the Ather?
Yeah, man, loved it. Yeah.
Confirm
Fun.
now. Confirm Series 1.
Let's see.
How did you like the Series 1?
No,
This one black and red.
I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of that color scheme.
Green looks good, right?
Like every manufacturer has a black and red combo. Apache, Pulsar, everybody has
Everybody sports model.
it. Yeah. But did you see the grey and yellow combo in the
I
back?
like that too.
I like that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Big
matching
bike,
match.
small bike.
Daniel of Rapture Pissa, these colors. Plus it's matte. I like the matte finish
Yeah.
more than the glossy finish.
Anyway, that's it for today, guys. In case you're watching this night time, have a good night. Take care. See you in the next one.